Acne is a common and often frustrating skin condition that many teenagers face. While genetics and hormones play a significant role, diet can also influence the severity and frequency of breakouts. Understanding which foods to embrace and which to avoid can help teenagers manage their acne more effectively. Here's a guide to the do's and don'ts of a diet aimed at minimizing acne. Do: eat a balanced diet. Incorporate plenty of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall skin health. Specifically, foods high in vitamin A, such as carrots and sweet potatoes. Vitamin E, such as almonds and spinach, and zinc, such as pumpkin seeds and chickpeas, are known to promote clearer skin. Opt for whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread have a lower glycemic index compared to refined grains. Foods with a lower glycemic index cause a slower, steadier rise in blood sugar levels, reducing the likelihood of acne flare-ups. Choose lean proteins. Protein is essential for skin repair and regeneration. Lean protein sources like chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes provide the necessary building blocks for healthy skin without the excess fat found in red meat. Stay hydrated. Water plays a crucial role in keeping the skin hydrated and flushing out toxins. Encourage drinking plenty of water throughout the day to maintain skin's elasticity and health. Don't consume excess sugar and high glycemic foods. Avoid sugary snacks and beverages. High sugar intake can lead to increased insulin levels, which may trigger acne by promoting inflammation and the production of skin oils. Limiting consumption of candies, sodas, and other sugary treats can help control breakouts. Cut down on dairy products. Some studies suggest a link between dairy consumption and acne, particularly with skim milk. It's believed that hormones present in milk can stimulate oil glands in the skin, leading to acne. If dairy seems to exacerbate acne, consider reducing intake or switching to plant-based alternatives. Limit refined carbohydrates. Refined carbs, such as white bread, pastries, and white rice, have a high glycemic index and can cause spikes in blood sugar levels. These spikes can increase oil production and inflammatory responses in the skin, contributing to acne. Reduce greasy and fried foods. Foods high in unhealthy fats, such as fast food and fried snacks, can lead to excessive oil production in the skin. Opt for healthier fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, which can help maintain a balanced skin oil production. Moderation is key. While certain foods may have an impact on acne, it's important for teenagers to maintain a balanced diet without being overly restrictive. Sudden, drastic changes can lead to nutritional deficiencies and other health issues. Instead, focus on making gradual, sustainable adjustments. Individual responses vary. It's crucial to note that everyone's skin responds differently to various foods. Keeping a food diary to track which foods seem to trigger acne can be helpful. Consulting with a dermatologist or a nutritionist can provide personalized advice tailored to individual needs. Teenage acne can be influenced by many factors, including diet. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods and avoiding those known to exacerbate acne, teenagers can take proactive steps in managing their skin health. Remember, patience and consistency are key, and combining dietary changes with a good skincare routine can yield the best results. Lifestyle factors. While diet plays a significant role in managing acne, other lifestyle factors are also crucial. Stress management, regular exercise, and proper skincare can complement dietary efforts and contribute to clearer skin. Manage stress. Stress can trigger acne by increasing the production of cortisol, a hormone that can lead to increased oil production in the skin. Encourage practices such as mindfulness, yoga, or other stress relief activities to help manage stress levels. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity promotes circulation and helps reduce stress. However, it's important to shower and cleanse the skin after exercising to remove sweat and bacteria that can clog pores. Follow a consistent skincare routine. A consistent skincare routine tailored to individual skin types can greatly reduce acne. This includes gentle cleansing, moisturizing, and using products that contain acne-fighting ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. Avoid overwashing or using harsh products, as they can irritate the skin and worsen acne. Seeking professional help. For persistent or severe acne, consulting a dermatologist is recommended. They can provide treatments such as topical or oral medications that are more effective for managing acne. Topical treatments. Dermatologists may prescribe topical treatments such as retinoids, antibiotics, or other medications that reduce inflammation and bacterial growth. Oral medications. In some cases, oral medications like antibiotics, hormonal treatments, or isotretinoin, Accutane, may be necessary. These treatments can have significant effects on severe acne, but should be used under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Myth-busting common acne beliefs. There are many myths surrounding acne and its causes. Here are a few common misconceptions. Acne is caused by dirty skin. Acne is not caused by dirty skin. Overwashing or scrubbing the skin too harshly can actually irritate it and make acne worse. Popping pimples helps them heal faster. Popping pimples can push bacteria deeper into the skin, leading to more inflammation and potential scarring. It's best to avoid this habit. Sun exposure clears acne. While the sun may temporarily dry out pimples, it can also damage the skin and lead to more breakouts in the long run. Always use non-comedogenic sunscreen to protect the skin. Navigating the challenges of teenage acne can be difficult, but understanding the relationship between diet and skin health is a step in the right direction. By adopting a balanced diet rich in whole foods, avoiding known acne triggers, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, teenagers can improve their chances of achieving clearer skin. It's a journey that involves patience and persistence, and seeking professional advice when needed can provide additional support and guidance. The connection between acne and sugar. Recent research has increasingly pointed to a link between diet, specifically sugar intake, and the prevalence of acne. Understanding this connection can help in making informed dietary choices that support clearer skin. How sugar affects acne. Blood sugar spikes and insulin levels. When you consume sugary foods and beverages, your blood sugar levels spike. This spike prompts the body to release insulin to help absorb the excess sugar. High insulin levels can lead to increased oil production in the skin, which can clog pores and contribute to acne development. Inflammation. Sugar can promote inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is a known factor in acne, as it can exacerbate the swelling, redness, and irritation associated with pimples. Reducing sugar intake can help lower overall inflammation, potentially reducing acne severity. Hormonal imbalances. Insulin spikes from high sugar intake can also affect other hormones, such as androgens, which are hormones that play a significant role in sebum production. Elevated androgen levels can lead to increased oil production, contributing to blocked pores and acne. Glycation and skin health. Excessive sugar consumption can lead to a process called glycation, where sugar molecules bind to proteins and fats, forming advanced glycation end products, AGEs. AGEs can damage collagen and elastin, proteins that keep the skin firm and elastic, leading to skin aging and potentially worsening acne scars. Studies supporting the sugar acne link. Several studies have supported the connection between high glycemic diets and acne. For example, a study published in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found that individuals who consumed a high glycemic diet were more likely to have acne, compared to those who consumed a low glycemic diet. Another study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicated that participants who followed a low glycemic diet experienced significant improvements in their acne. Practical tips for reducing sugar intake. Read labels. Check nutrition labels for added sugars in packaged foods. Ingredients such as high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, and glucose are all forms of added sugar that can contribute to acne. Choose whole foods. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats are less likely to spike blood sugar levels compared to processed foods. Limit sugary beverages. Soft drinks, fruit juices, and energy drinks are often high in added sugars. Replace these with water, herbal teas, or sparkling water with a splash of natural fruit juice. Snack smart. Choose snacks that combine protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep blood sugar levels stable. Nuts, seeds, yogurt, and fresh fruit are excellent choices. Gradual reduction. If you have a sweet tooth, try gradually reducing your sugar intake to avoid withdrawal symptoms, and make the change more sustainable. Substitute sugary snacks with healthier options and reduce the amount of sugar you add to your beverages. The connection between sugar and acne underscores the importance of dietary choices in managing skin health. By understanding how sugar impacts insulin levels, inflammation, and hormonal balance, teenagers can make informed decisions to reduce their sugar intake and potentially lessen the severity of acne. Coupled with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle practices, these adjustments can pave the way to clearer, healthier skin.